Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Doney Park local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers is the perfect moving company for you. We offer the most affordable and best local and long-distance moving services in Doney Park. Our relocation services are swift, effective, and reliable, and we are ready to help you relocate to your new home anytime you need us to come through for you. You can trust that you will get value for your money. We are the right moving firm for you because we take off your shoulders the stress of organizing and transporting your belongings. We are reliable, swift, and efficient, qualities that you should always look out for in a moving company. We also help clients create a suitable moving plan, and with the support and competence of our drivers, you can be sure that the plan will be totally foolproof. We have a team of expert drivers that have great experience in coordinating and managing a successful relocation. Our trucks and other relocation equipment are of the highest quality, making sure that we can get clients home as quickly as possible without losing or damaging any item during transit. The combination of experienced and dedicated drivers with standard trucks makes every relocation a stress-free one. Also, we are the right choice for you because of our moving packages. We provide our clients with fantastic moving services. When we take charge of your relocation, you will be able to relax and focus on planning other essential and vital necessities for your relocation. We have decades of experience and expertise under our belt and are constantly evolving to reflect modern principles. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Doney Park moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.